Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start our sixth chapter of geography, major landforms. So, before going to start this chapter, you should know about the meaning of landform. What is a landform? Landform is something which is naturally created on the surface of the earth. So, in this chapter, we will discuss about the various landforms on the earth's surface. We all know that surface of the earth is not uniform, means earth is not equal at all its parts. We see a variety of landforms such as mountains, hills, plateaus, plains, etc. The natural forces keep on developing these landforms and also destroying the old ones and creating the new ones. These forces may take millions of years in developing the landforms. They are saying that the natural forces are responsible for creating the various landforms, and these forces may take millions of years in developing the landforms. There are three major relief features that characterize the continents. Three major relief features: mountains, plateaus, and plains. There are two types of processes that act upon the earth to form various relief features or landforms. Relief features or landforms. So, which forces? The internal or endogenic processes. Internal processes is also known as endogenic processes or vice versa. There are some processes or forces which act from within the earth, means they are trying to say that, as from its name, the internal processes act within the earth. They are called internal processes. They work towards the surface in form of volcanic eruption and earth